In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily resign on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and once you are already playing a game on chess.com and you would like to finish it, the easiest way is to resign. To do that, we need to search for that resign button right over here with flag. To resign, click on it. It will ask you, are you sure you want to resign? Click at yes. After that, the game will be aborted and we'll be able to play another one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.